puddles shine like stars at night. Baby yawns cozy and warm, safe from rain, no little